Have you noticed how weight loss ads keep getting more extreme, promising visible fat loss in days with nothing more than a patch on your skin? CleraLuxe Brown Fat Patch is being aggressively promoted as a brown fat activating microneedle patch that claims to burn fat, suppress appetite, balance blood sugar, boost energy, and even tighten skin with results supposedly visible in just 7 days. And the biggest hook is the claim that the patch changes color to prove fat burning is happening. After examining how these claims actually hold up, the results do not align with real metabolic science, because there is no credible evidence that a consumer patch can activate brown fat, stimulate UP1 activity, extract fat metabolites, or trigger meaningful fat loss through the skin. The color change feature, often presented as proof, is not a medical indicator of fat burning and can easily occur due to heat, sweat, moisture, skin oils, dyes, or basic chemical reactions, none of which confirm metabolic activation. The marketing leans heavily on authority-style language such as FDA approval, clinical testing, US patents, decades of research, and large expert teams. Yet no verifiable clinical trials, peer-reviewed studies, or FDA approvals are actually provided, and it's important to understand that the FDA does not approve weight loss patches. Nor does a registered facility mean a product is effective. The promised outcomes are also unrealistic, including rapid fat loss, appetite control, blood sugar regulation, hormone balance, no rebound weight gain, and near total absorption, all from a single patch, which fits the classic pattern of wellness marketing exaggeration. Many testimonials showing dramatic transformations appear unverified or AI-generated, offering emotional stories without independent proof. Overall, CleraLuxe Brown Fat Patch appears to be a rebranded adhesive or microneedle style patch sold through dropshipping funnels using scientific buzzwords, visual tricks, and exaggerated claims. And while a physical product may exist, the marketing significantly overstates what it can realistically achieve.